What is up, you guys? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. Looks like we got some containers being delivered today. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
All right.
Doing good. How's this gonna work?
Your guess is as good as mine.
We'll figure it out some kind of way. Got our buddy Luis in the John Deere 724. Now these are some containers for another company, but we're just doing them a favor and allowing them to store them here on the property and evidently help them offload. Not sure why we don't have the forks on the loader, but hey, Aaron's around here somewhere and I'm sure he's got some kind of a plan. Or at least I hope he does. Just flip them off. Never seen them stack them quite like this before. That's pretty neat. They got, let's see, 5 of them. Okay, let's see what Aaron's, okay, Aaron's got the forks on the other side. And we got our buddy Austin in the Hyundai 960 around yonder. So I assume they're gonna push, whoa, up a little bit. Push them onto the forks, or oh, I know what they're gonna do. They're just gonna lift them up, let the trailer drive out from under. Do it. Well, at least for a few seconds that'll do it.
As long as we can set it down
yeah,
even.
That's gonna be the tricky part. Well, probably gonna scratch a little bit of paint doing it this way. I'm just really worried the fork side over there on the Hyundai will be fine. I'm just kind of worried about Luis over here with the nothing but the bucket and them setting them down. Let's go ahead and back up a little bit just in case. Time is of the essence here, buddy. Move that truck on out of the way. Now the tricky part. You got to be kind of like the maestro, Aaron. Oh, I don't like this one bit. Easy does it, Luis. Easy does it. Okay. Oh, I don't like the way that is going. Okay. Well.
Go look at this guy's truck.
Oh, yeah?
His door open.
How you doing today, sir?
No, fine.
Yeah.
Long time, sir. Hey, morning, I'm fine. One day.
Hey, I heard I need to take a look inside your truck if you don't mind.
Yeah, look at this thing.
Rhinos. Oh, man. Holy cow, dude.
The door up, I was like, man, this is beautiful. Look at
What? I'm not even gonna step inside this thing. Wow. That thing is chromed out, you guys. Jeez Louise. I have never, this is a daggum show truck. Not a speck of dirt in here. Golly. Now this is a truck. Wow. Man, oh man, that dude is proud of this thing, I guarantee. Got his duck emblem up there. This is beautiful, y'all. Now that right there is a truck. Man, that's the prettiest truck I think I've ever seen, man. That is awesome. Luis, you did good, buddy. I'm proud of you. Little sketchy. Little sketchy. You might need a little bit of blue spray paint, but.
Hey, noche, please. Noche.
I just work here.
Me too.
No noche, no gay.
Yeah, we scratched up a little bit, but it could have been a whole lot worse. That was pretty sketchy. Nice new containers. And again, like I said, these are for another company that dumps here at the landfill, so we were just doing them a solid and helping them with the offload. We might have dented the door a little bit. Well, that didn't go too bad.
I wasn't here, so
It could have been worse.
could have been worse. It could have ended up on their side.
Yeah.
Hay una baby only fine 40 Marley or 1 year. Forget it, man. Y me drive. Ahora Miami empty, man.
Yeah.
Did you catch all that?
No, I caught it. Didn't understand it.
It was there.
Didn't understand it, but I caught it.
Yeah, it was there.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Did these come out of Florida? Okay.
Evolution welding.
Evolution. They're nice looking boxes.
They are until you pull them out and all the paint comes off. Something.
Yeah.
That's less than what's going to be on the inside of the, on the outside.
Yeah.
Of the
Yeah. That wasn't too bad.
No, ain't nothing been up. This
No.
little scuff.
I'm
We didn't want to try to set it on the trunk, though.
Yeah.
And that would
Yeah.
have been other issues.
Yeah. I've seen it go a lot worse.
Yeah.
So that was.
I'm glad they're on it.
Yeah.
At this
Yeah.
point, it's fine.
We're good now.
We're good.
Awesome. Good job.
That's all.
Well, that could have went a lot worse, and I've seen it go a lot worse. We've dropped some containers before, and that just hurts your feelings because those things are not cheap. Metal has gone through the roof. Each one of those boxes, if I had to guess, at least $5 grand, maybe even closer to $6 nowadays. But I'm kind of just riding around checking on everything today. Tomorrow I leave to go on vacation, and I can't wait, even though I haven't packed, haven't done anything. Still got to go to the grocery store, buy cat food, check on all the businesses, get with everybody, and all that good stuff. So it's going to be a crazy busy day. I do want to ride back and check on the landfill. Aaron and I think it was Nick whipped her back into shape yesterday. You remember we had some of those shelves over there on the landfill, some of those sheer drop-offs with the trash. I think they got those all ironed out, but we're going to go check on that right now. Gringo, as you can see, is kind of quiet today, and that's because we've got the B66 out at the golf course job, which I showed you guys in the last video. So things are kind of quiet today over here at the mulch yard. The trash is still rolling in like crazy, but we got a ton of people on vacation this week, so you know, everybody's just doing what they can, just kind of running a skeleton crew. But the trash is still, as I'm still looking at right now, it's still rolling in heavy. Whenever we shut down for a few days like we did for Christmas, the trash kind of backs up, and then we just get a deluge of waste coming in. So let's go around here, get you a little cruncho vision, and see what's happening on the tipping floor. It's chilly today, y'all. Got a little bit of rain coming in tonight. Now I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Aaron said they're gonna light that the debris on fire, those stumps and all the stuff over at the golf course tomorrow, so that'll be handy. Get a little bit of rain so we don't worry about burning the whole golf course down. This guy was dragging a little bit of trash with him, so we'll take that for him.
Thank you.
Got you, buddy. Have a good one. We'll take this back over here, a little bit of aluminum. Got a couple of trucks backed up, couple dumping, 826Cs pushing trash. Moving right along, guys. Oh yeah, hey, it's starting to rain already. As soon as I said that a while ago, now we got a cold mist coming in. I guess it's about 50 something degrees today, but that little bit of mist makes it feel about 30. Chuck that right there. Let's go see what we can see in the trash today, you guys. Got a little bit of this paper pulp. Get it spread out up here on the tipping floor, make it a little bit nicer for the trucks to back up on. Load of some limbs and stuff. Looks like it's got some trash in it. That's why I didn't go over to the mulch yard. Let's see what our slope looks like. See if the guys are following suit with what Aaron fixed yesterday. We're gonna lose some metal today too. There's a good bit of metal out here on the tipping floor, but that's because the Hyundai 160 with the magnet on it is over being cleaned and having a little bit of TLC maintenance done to it. So what the guys will do when they do get heavily contaminated, or not contaminated, but loads with a lot of metal in them, they'll just push them over to the side. That way when David gets them back around here, he can grab it out and throw it in a metal container for recycling. Oh yeah, this looks way more better than just those sheer cliffs. Got a lot of big bulky crap in here though. We gotta get that shredder around here soon. But with Aaron and Brandon both being off-site on the golf course job, we just don't have the personnel to get it around here. Plus we would have to have the Hyundai excavator in order to feed the bulky stuff into the shredder. There's our main man Antonio spreading out the paper pulp up there on top. I still don't know who's in this compactor. I think it's Finley. He's got a mask on. He was wearing a mask the other day. And I think that's Finley cross-training a little bit over here. They're trying to get everybody to run different machines so that when we do have to run skeleton crews, we got folks to fill in the holes of the most important jobs. And obviously having both compactors running on busy trash days is most important. It looks like he might need a little bit more training. I don't like to see him ripping that thing into reverse all of a sudden like that, but at least he is taking the trash and going all the way down to the bottom and not leaving those sheer walls of just trash so we lose compaction. This is the kind of stuff we need to be running through the shredder. Mattresses, big bulky couches, love seats, you name it. Because you can run over this mattress 50 million times and it is not going to do anything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to this fella. He's not even hitting the brakes, he's just going straight from forward to reverse, and that is not good on that transmission. Let's see what we got in this load over here. Some bags of clothes, some pillows, a bunch of lumber. Sure who that is in the compactor. I can't see him for that mask, but we'll have to get Aaron to come around here and explain to him about that gear shift lever. Got to give her a little bit of a break before you go ripping it in reverse like that, because these machines are bulletproof, but you still can tear up a transmission. This shingle thing is going to go on, but you know, it's a good problem to have, because at least we got business coming in. But golly, we are filling up this hole so fast. Guys, it's starting to rain pretty dang good. I got to go get my clothes packed up. I appreciate you watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Won't be very long now, and we'll be doing the live for the 50,000, or hopefully we'll be doing the live for the 50,000 subscriber celebration, me and Coco and whoever else wants to come in. But appreciate you guys very much. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for dropping me comments all the time and checking on us. It really does mean a lot to me. I'm going to get warm, pack my clothes up, and go somewhere where it's way warmer, drink me some drinks, chill out in the sun, and take a much needed vacation. Thank you guys. Hope y'all have a great week. I'll see you next year.